Live from Minnegrefsha, it's the Talk Emmy podcast. Every Monday to Thursday at 14:25 Central with woman, child, and fly.
Hello. Welcome back. Today it is the 26th of January 2017, Thursday. And yes, sadly, the last episode of the week. But don't worry. We'll be back next week on Monday.
Oh, I thought the show was going to end then, because it just started.
I agree with you, child. Anyways, since it's Thursday, it's time for Top 10 Thursdays, the ranking show in Talk Emmy podcast, of course. In this episode of Top 10 Thursdays, we are going to rank at the top 10 text-to-speech software for learning.
Like Talk Emmy's a part of it?
I don't know, Fly. Oops. Sorry for repeated words. But I don't think so. At number 10 we have Voice Reader. It's a product made by Linguatic. Voice Reader converts any text to voice professionally using natural-sounding voices in several languages with individual pronunciation adjustments. At number 9 we have Read the Words, an online text-to-speech application that offers a free version including a variety of voices, characters, 3 languages, and the ability to create audio files up to 30 seconds in length. At number 8 we have Text Aloud 3. It was created by Mixedup. Text Aloud 3 has 29 languages and major voice publishers. For example, AT&T Virtual Voices, AKP Group, Ivana, and Nuance Vocalizer. At number 7, we have Audio Bookmaster, and yes, one of the highest quality TTS software ever. Audio Bookmaker converts text to audio quickly and includes adjustable speech parameters, i.e., speed, pitch, and volume. It also has a multilingual interface, including Russian and Chinese, and remembers each document settings, voice parameters, dictionary set, colors, etc. between reading sessions. At number 6, we have TextSpeech Pro. TextSpeech Pro reads any kind of document, Microsoft Word, PDF, emails, etc. aloud and includes AT&T Natural Voices. At number 5, we have Acapella Group Virtual Speaker. Wow, what a popular one. Multilingual, 30 languages already available, easy integration, availability of voices in several sampling frequencies and qualities. All these and a lot more make the Acapella Group one of the top publishers for text-to-speech software ideal for learning. Moreover, the sound files are especially easy to access from any authoring tool you are using. At number 4, we have iSpeech. iSpeech's API allows you to create high-quality speech audio in multiple formats such as MP3, WAV, WMA, MP4, and FLAC. It also offers a variety of other online services and apps, including the iSpeech Translator, which translates speaking text in 7 languages and reads translated text in 18. At third place, Zabaware Text-to-Speech Reader. Zabaware also comes in a free version that offers generic voices, but the paid option provides high-quality Cereproc and AT&T Natural Voices. At the runner-up, Virtual Reader. This text-to-speech software comes in several versions, including a free one that converts Microsoft Word documents, PDF files, and emails into spoken words. And the winner is Ivana. Ivana, constantly investing in research and development, remains one of the top text-to-speech software solutions available. Wow, that was a long one. Anyways, that is all for now that we have Talk Emmy podcast. I will see you next week on Monday at 2:25 Central. Goodbye.